I'm faking.
Okay, then what are you doing?
I'm pretending like it. Say something. Like.
No, you're gonna be in it.
I'm not gonna be in it.
Yes, you are.
Hey, Dax, don't hit the tree or something.
What's up, guys? It's me, Dax Blower, and welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification squad for free merchandise. But Katie Cat, my friend Kate, gets free merch. Okay, and Dylan. So,
I'm gonna show you some slime.
wait, before we start this video, before we do the slime, coin toss. Wait, where'd it go? Wait.
Sorry, guys. So let's get started.
Wait, no, I didn't do the coin toss.
Why are you taking forever?
Looks like she starts first.
Okay, so I'm gonna get out my slime, and it is this bluish color teal. I don't know, but it has some foam beads in it. I mean, not foam. Are you really? These are foam balls, and it doesn't really stretch really good, but it pokes really awesome. And I think it smells awesome.
Tell them the other thing you want to tell them. Oh my gosh, Kay, don't put that on video. Oh my god. Sorry guys, this will be right back. Okay, we're right back.
So this is like this is almost like my first slimes I made of all of these I have for today, and it is a very pretty color. I think it's clear glue. Put the phone up more, and it is a really nice texture, and it feels really soft. I did not put any shaving cream in this because I didn't feel like it.
Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open.
I wanted to have clear slime, so this one is a very nice slime.
Dab on it.
Okay, done. Okay.
And say something to sis.
Let's put this
say
in.
something to sis versus bro. Tell them what you want to tell sis versus bro. Say they're awesome.
Sis versus bro, you are awesome, and I gave you a like.
And subscribe. We love your channel, guys. And your cats are adorable. And I love when you do those chocolate.
Alright,
I want you guys to make more chocolate videos in the future. And I can't wait. Maybe someday I'll be in your town to see you.
And so in this slime, it's pink and it has some beads in it that are letters, like other colors, not just white and black. See, like this J. Oh, it's upside down. Yes. A J and all these other letters that are different colors. This one, I put some sparkles in it because I just wanted to make it sparkle. And so I got this at Walmart.
Do the second slime. We don't have much time. Kate.
It's so pretty.
Okay. And this is we have to take a quick commercial break. Toyota. It is the best place of all. And at Toyota nowadays we don't race these cars anymore. But now you can. Introducing the number 0 accidents race car. You can buy it for $19.99 off eBay and get some for free tomorrow until 4 p.m. at Toyota everywhere. Toyota, let's go places. Okay, guys, so welcome back. Okay, so now.
Okay, so I'm gonna open this slime. It is sparkly and green. What are you doing?
I don't know.
And it's very sparkly. It has a nice texture. Very good. So, yeah. Ooh. Hey, Dax, is the video still going? Dax, is the video still going?
Yeah.
And it is blue. This one is blue. I put some Sphinx sparkles in it, and look what it did. It turned it almost pink. And I don't want it almost pink. I want it blue. Period. All right, this one's not very stretchy.
Tell them what you do at night. You gotta fake it, okay? Tell me something that you used to do. What you used to do?
Play with slime.
No, when you were like.
Whatever, just skip that.
Tell me. No, you can't. Okay. It was at 5. It was when you're.
And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Love you. See you soon.
Goodbye.